it going? My name is Timba Heat, and in this video, we're going to be learning a brand new move called barrer. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta! Alright, mi gente, straight to it. Let's start off with somos uno. Here we go. 5, 6, somos uno. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Una más. Y 1, 2, 3. Barrer. 6, 7. So I'm hooking my right foot behind my calf. And I'm going to scratch my calf like so. 7, 8. And then place my weight on that right foot to go forward that left leg for somos uno on the 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. One more time. Nice and slow. Here we go. Barrer, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, allí nada más. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't done so already. This helps me in the channel tremendously so we can reach out to others and share the love of dance. Muchas gracias, and back to the video. Alright guys, so this one's pretty self-explanatory, but I will say this, make sure you're counting your 7 and 8. You don't want to be late for that 1. So, if I'm going 1, 2, 3 right here, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then on that and, I'm kind of pushing my weight forward and the momentum forward, so that left leg is free to go forward on that 1, 2, 3, and now I'm back on time, all right? So keep that in mind. Let's try to say halftime music, and then we'll do that full speed. Here we go. 5, 6, somos uno. 1, 2, 3, barrer. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, double time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1 y barrer. 6, 7, 8, 1. Una más. Get ready. 5, 6, barrer. 6, 7, 8, 1 y ahí nada más. Alright, mi gente, this will conclude us for the year. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe for more educational, fun, entertaining videos, and check out this cool playlist of all the previous moves that we learned. Muchas gracias. My name is Timba Heat. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, our friends. Happy New Year's Eve y hasta la próxima.